Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Real Will here, guys. Welcome to my trading journey. This is my second video. Now, I shot plenty of videos, like I said in the past video, right? The most recent one. I deleted everything because I wanted to start fresh. I believe I was doing too many strategies, and now I have two strategies, guys. A trend trading strategy and a counter trend trading strategy. You need both. I believe you need both, but keep them simple. And in this video, I'm gonna show you right now. I am only trading gold. Gold is the only thing that I am trading at this moment, and gold been helping me out. I love gold. I love the way gold move. I feel like I understand the price action and market structure of gold a little bit more, and I love the volatility that the market gives. So I'm gonna take you straight to the charts, guys. But before that, I want to take you to this. This is Apex Trading, guys. I am on my 100K account right now. They have a big sale. I'm not affiliate or nothing. So if you like to trade gold, if you like to trade US 30, NAS, ES, S&P, whatever, check out Apex Trading right now. It's a 90% off, guys. Right now, I don't have no link or nothing, but looking out for y'all, man. If you don't want to wait, because Forex right now is very skeptical, so I trade gold off of futures. I don't trade it off of Forex, so which is a different ball game for me because I love it. I ain't gonna lie, I love it. So this right now, I am up $1,500 on my 100K account right here, guys. That started on November the 24th. Beautiful 100K. I wanted it to go a little higher, but I'm gonna try to accomplish that. My profit goal is 6,000. I think I can accomplish that within 30 days. There's no time limit, but I want to conquer that before that monthly fee kicks in, which is only like $50 a month. But yeah. So this is what's going on with my account. So y'all will see me trade later on the day. Have a few setups that I'm looking at. So yeah. All right, so like I said, I want to keep this strategy super simple, guys. This one right here is a Lux Algo trend line break. Trend line break. I love it. And right now I caught this move. Yes, Friday. I caught this move Friday. I'm about to show y'all what I caught. So, what's this go? Let me get rid of this. So what I caught this Friday was this move right here. I'm gonna tell you why I got into. Super simple too. Alright, so normally what I would do is wait for it to break, because we see that it's a clear why did it like that? A clear support that been broken, right? Super clear. But because it was Friday at 8 a.m., I said, let me get in around my trend line break, which I will show you. So, you see the trend line break? So, what I did was I got in right here. Once that broke and came back a little bit of retest, I got in like right here. And I put it like right underneath here. Actually, was it? I think it was 1 point. Was it 1.5? Let me see. Yeah, it was 1.5. It was 1.5. So I got in like right here. And I put my stop loss right under here. Now, I don't basically go off of these. I can take the buy and all that stuff out of there for sure. But if you like it, you can keep it. And I didn't catch this whole move because my goal was on the 4 hour was to hit up here, which we see that it didn't hit yet. And I believe next week it's going to hit. But I believe also if you go to the 4 hour, we could be looking for a retracement in this area. Boom, 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 come back. And we might not. It might head straight up. So we don't know what might happen. So I'm gonna be looking very closely. But yeah, that's how I got in this trade. Super simple, guys. I got in. Stop loss was right under this low right here because it came back, broke. broke, closed, came back, tap, 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 shot up. Start shooting up around London session before New York, and then boom. I got out like right here because I'm like, you know, how many pips was that? 67 pips? Yeah, 67 pips. So I got out like right here because I knew like, all right. And that was that news that hit around 2 o'clock. I think 2 o'clock. No. 10:45. 10:45. So here around 10:45 I got out. But super simple, guys. So I'm gonna back test this for you. And I'm gonna show you how simple trading can be. So what I like to do, go back to a random, I don't care. Let me see. Let me close my eyes. Stop. Boom. So we in February. Alright, sweet. I don't really create my zones off the daily. What just happened? I don't know what just happened. That's a clear double top though. So look at this double top. Wow. So what I like to do is, and shout out to Nick Sean. So I like this is a very perfect example of what I would have done. This is a daily time frame, but on a 4 hour or something, you probably see it. So my mind would be like, okay, broke out, boom. Come back to this zone, cause look. So it broke past here, boom. Came down here, you tapped it. Once you get in the middle of that zone, which every video I'm gonna show y'all. Once you get in that middle, you put your stop loss here. Once it tap it, baby. Once it tap it, put your stop loss like, you know, whatever. This is the daily time frame, so don't look at the pips. And go 1-on-1. 1-on-1 or to the next zone. However you feel comfortable. Boom. Normally I go to the next zone, but sometimes, you know, in these cases, go for that 1-on-1, get your money, go home. So anyways, so what happens is you'll put alert, and once your alert hit, that's when you look for the market. I mean, that's when you look into the market, you know, put your alerts down. And once it hits your alert, you know, you put a buy limit or whatever. I like to do it manually. And you be like, all right, this is what I want right here. And what you do. Now, we seen what was going to happen. But we're going to see if we can get it to this zone right here. Boom, you in. That got you out. See, that's why 1-on-1s are beautiful. Because you got your 1-on-1. Boom. You see what I'm saying? You got your 1-on-1. Go for your 1-on-1s and call it a day. But anyways, that is what I trade. Support and resistance. And I use a little bit of trend line break, which I will show y'all. So let's get straight into it, baby. Alright, so I don't want to make this video long. Right now, we don't got none. God. Alright, so what I like is we're going to keep this zone right here. Jeez. And it's probably going to come back up here and retest. Because right now, I don't even see where it can actually shoot to. But we. Alright, well, anyways. Man. But because I trade futures, I got to be out by a certain time. I like to trade an hour, the 4 hour and the hour time frame. But right now, we're going to show y'all. So, boom. Next stock could be something like this. All right, let's see what happens. Tap into this zone. I wouldn't get in. I wouldn't get in because look how strong it's pushing up. It might end up breaking out of there, come back, retest, and go up. So we're going. Now we're on a 4 hour. What the freak? Why do it show this? I don't know what is going on. What is going on? What the freak is going on? Like I said, I told y'all. I don't know what's going on. What the freak? All right, so what I want to see is a retest now here. Once it hit this little area. Support and resistance. Keep it simple, guys. Y'all don't need, like, if you want to learn all the ICT, fair value gap, and all that other stuff, go ahead. But me personally, I'm not doing all that. We're going one-on-one. So when it tap into the zone, we get in for our one-on-one for a retest. There we go. We in. Now stop loss can be down here, which is too much. So I like to just put it right here. And if it get me out, which it got me out. So let me show you something else real quick. I don't know why. This is weird, bro. I don't know. This is weird. I swear it'd be more candles. All right. So now let me add something to y'all to help you out. Trend line break. You want to go here. Type in trend line break algo. Lux algo. And the settings is 14 1.5. So let's turn it on. Boom. Look at this, guys. We got clear break right here. You could have got in right here, or you can rig for a retest. What I'm liking is something like this. I know this don't look big, but trust me, you wanted a nice little size. All right, boom. And once it tap into the zone, right in the middle, once it tap into the zone, we getting in, all right? And we're going to go one-on-one. We're going to put it right over here. Once it tap into the zone, though, it got to tap in the zone. If it don't tap, we don't care what happens. And we're going to see if it can head down to this area. So, there you go. Look, it tapped. It tapped. Now, we are in our trade. We in the trade right now. Boom. We in the trade. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. I'm telling you, this is how I trade, y'all. This is how I trade. This is how I trade, guys. Super simple. Look at that wick. That was beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that was. Ugh. Nasty. I'm gonna give y'all one more example and we'll be done. What I like to do after my trade, I turn it off. Ooh. So even if it hits down here, right? You got out your trade. Once it hit this area, say you did go one-on-one and you say, all right, I'm going to wait until it hit this zone right here, which probably would have been up here a little bit more. Yeah. You see how it hit the center every single time? It give you that. Well, why do I trade this way? Risk management. Risk management. You're going to risk 88 pips to try to make 200. And look what happened. You end up getting it. You see what I'm saying? So let's see what happens. One more example, guys, and we done. All right, we still got our zones. We're going to see if we can get a break out of this zone. And this is a 4 hour too. I like to trade 4 hours in an hour mainly because I'm a futures trader. So we're going to see if we can get a break out of one of these zones. Here we go. See, because it pushed down so strong and it tapped 1, 2, 3, I will probably get back in. Now, if it taps more than 3 times, like 4 times, I'm not getting in because the more it actually taps that area, the weaker that zone becomes. So for this, I will do a risk management of a one-on-one and one-on-one. And if it start breaking out, I'll put a light right here. If it start breaking out of here and close on the hour, I'm out that trade. Take an L. So let's see what happens. So we in our trade. I know we back testing, but this is how I am making my money, man. And I'm going on my live account in January, my personal. I'm gonna put like $500 in there. I'm gonna try to flip it. I don't care. I'm flipping it. Not over risking, but I'm gonna flip my account. So points, bro, this is simple. We probably gonna head right up there. Well, got up there close enough. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all one more. My bad, y'all. I know y'all hating me right now. We need a retest in this area. If we can get a retest, we take it 1-1 or down to the zone. But we need a retest to get in. Oh, let's see if we can get a retest. Right into this area. Give me a retest. We taking it 1-1. Give me a retest. We in. It might not even give it to me. We in. All right, man. Listen, man. I'm done. I'm done for the night. And what's crazy is you're going to see major setups. And this is how we lose money. Because so many setups we are seeing on this that we feel like we can hit every single one. Get one good setup and risk 1%. Risk 2%. That one setup. And this week I'm focusing on one setup a day. If I see a good setup, an A+ setup, I'm giving them a little bit more risk. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's get it.